I was putting tents in my van, so it was nothing abnormal about that. The van is mine. It's been part of my house for over a year. He asked me if this is my house, if I lived here, if I worked here. He's like, oh, I'm going to need to see some ID. And then he put the handcuffs on me, and he led me to the front of the car, and then he started yelling in my face. If my wife wasn't there to de-escalate the situation, it definitely could have gotten out of hand. I could have been brutally hurt. I could have been shot dead, or who knows. These are also individuals that ride the bus, that sit on public benches, and these are also places where the general public also is as well. And so if you're not paying close attention to the way that this population is moving, if you don't have their best interests at hand, then we're never going to get the virus under control. It's a shame because it's not just happening in Miami-Dade County, it's every major city that has a large homeless population.